Hi Amulya, happy birthday. So here we have uh, another message for you from Badi Mummy and Bade Papa.
हाय, हाउ आर यू अमल्या? हैप्पी बर्थडे टू आपको 16 बर्थडे आपका बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
Happy birthday, Amulya. Wish you very, very happy 16th birthday. God bless you.
Bye, take care. Hi Rashmi Chachi, hi Atul Chacha, hi Anshi, and this is a very special message for Amulya on this very beautiful day from me, Bade Papa, Badi Mummy, and Dipesh. We all are wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday to you, Amulya. We know that we can't go out and celebrate with friends and family between this pandemic, but we all need to stay safe and secure. So we are hoping that we have a great day and try to enjoy as much as you can. We are sending all the love and support to you. God bless you with all the happiness, and we also made you a small collage. We all are hoping that you like it, and this is the least we can do for you. So take care, stay secure, stay safe, all of you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Amulya Didi. May you have a long, blessed, fulfilled life. All the best for future. Chanchal, mommy is not in the video because she's recording it. And Anik says happy birthday as well. Chanchal, say something.
Happy birthday, Amulya.
Alright, love you. Bye, take care.
जोर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे ऊंची बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे मैनू नहीं सुनिया हैप्पी बर्थडे ऊंची बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे जोर से बोलो
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा, ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, तेरे पीछे पड़ा, मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना, है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा।
टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हाँ जी।
सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात तू ऐसे जोर से
Birthday, Amulya.
You are awesome.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Amulya. Happy birthday.
अंशु को बहुत बहुत प्यार बेटा, बहुत अंशु बहुत याद आती है आपकी शरारती भी बहुत ज़्यादा। और कैसे हो रश्मि आप और तुम्हें आप सब ठीक हो? और भी ठीक है इधर सब।
हिमाचल वाली हाय तिखी वाली मुंह तो नीरी खंड दिल तो सी भी मकाली हिमाचल वाली हाय तिखी वाली मुंह तो नीरी खंड दिल तो सी भी मकाली हिमाचल वाली हाय तिखी वाली
Hi Amulya, happy 16th birthday. Enjoy your day. Many many happy returns of the day. The party hard. God bless you, bachcha. Enjoy your day.
शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है
Hi, Amulya. Little birdie told me that it is your birthday. I just wanted to wish you a happy, happy birthday. I miss you guys and hope to see you soon. Have a good one.
Hi, Amulya. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to take a second and wish you a very happy birthday. Please continue to stay safe. I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic week. I miss seeing you every day in school. Miss your smile in my class every day. Happy birthday to you. I hope it's fantastic. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Amulya. What a weird time to be having a birthday. I hope your day is special. I hope you feel loved and celebrated and it feels different from all the rest. I miss seeing you all the time and I'm glad that we get to at least kind of...
इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा जब यार करे परवाह मेरी मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही every time every minute all the day तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही जैसे संभाल के रखना प्यार का एपेटाइजर चिकना जैसे संभाल के रखना प्यार का एपेटाइजर चिकना और किसी पे गौर न कर मेरे पास तो बोल मुझे कौन करा
Happy birthday, Amulya! May your future be as bright as your smile. Our blessings are always with you. Have a happy 16th!
Hi Abu, happy birthday, happy 16th birthday बेटा. We are so proud of you. 16th birthday से पहले ही हम आपको जानते हैं 2-3 साल पहले आई थिंक एंड your mom said one thing about good thing about you, and I have a list of things which I know about you and I think about you. So you are one of the amazing girls. In the town I have noticed कि जितनी भी लड़कियों से मिली हूँ, आप सबसे ज़्यादा होमली हो, सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करती हो सबसे, छोटों के साथ में छोटी हो जाती है, बड़ों के साथ में बड़ी हो जाती है. You are really amazing. I really love you for that. And किचन में हो तो किचन में you are amazing, स्कूल में हो तो स्कूल में you are great, आंटीज के साथ में हो तो तुम एकदम बड़ों के जैसे बात करती हो. तो I don't know how you get all that talent. You are really talented and very beautiful, very tall girl, very attractive girl. I have a lot of things about you, beta. But when I meet you in person, we will do that. But this birthday is going to be memorable for you. The lockdown 2020 birthday, 16th, Amulya's birthday. We love you, beta.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amulya. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very very happy birthday, Amulya, and good luck.
Happy birthday, Amulya. Don't grow up that fast.
Don't grow up, it's a trap. Happy birthday though.
Happy birthday, Amulya. Have fun, take a lot of pictures, enjoy every minute of your 16th birthday. This is a special one.
Happy 16th birthday, Amul. I remember those days when we first met, when you're exactly half the age, when you're 8. We used to have so much fun swimming together, painting, arts and crafts, and lot of other activities. Even in those days, you used to be very matured, sensible, and very caring to the little one, Anshi. As you are growing with age, your qualities are also growing, and I really feel proud of you and wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Amu, happy 16th. I know we are missing out a big party. I'm sure after this COVID, we'll celebrate it in a big way. I completely echo with Sneha. I remember all the time Sneha telling great things about you, and I have seen it firsthand. I really wish you a happy 16th, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Bye.
Happy 16th birthday, Amulya.
Hey Amulya, happy birthday. We wish you the very best in your life. Keep doing the good work you do, and stay healthy and stay happy always.
লোকের বেটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব বড় লোকের বেটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেঁদা ফুল
Hey Amu, happy birthday. I'm sure you're having a great time. Thank you, Rashmi, for letting me be a part of her birthday this year. So Amu, one thing that comes into my mind when I think about you is the breakup song. You just nailed it. I loved your expressions, your dance moves, everything. You're such a pro in all the fields, let it be singing, dancing, cooking, interacting, studying, whatnot. Any parent would be blessed to have a kid like you. So Amu, enjoy your birthday, eat a lot of cakes, click lots of pictures, and be as awesome as you are forever. Love you.
Hi Amulya, wish you a very very happy 16th birthday. Lots of love and blessings from all of us. Daria, do you want to say something?
Open your presents, play games, and I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye, Amulya Didi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Amulya. How are you? Wish you a very, very happy, sweet 16th birthday. Hope you have a fantastic day. Wish you lots and lots of success and happiness in whatever you do. Mwah! Love you. Bye-bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you. Till then, I don't see light in your love anymore.
Wish you very, very happy 16th birthday, Amu.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Amu Didi. Happy birthday, Amu Didi.
We love you and we love to see your smile. It's so refreshing. Meet you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday!
Amulya!
We miss you!
ये दुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नू मौज में रहने दे ना। दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी, ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीट दे। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के ठन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के ठन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे। छोटी छोटी सोच क्यों है जी, ओहो बाजी। उखड़े उखड़े क्यों खड़े जी, हंसता तो हंस देगी दुनिया भी।
Happy birthday, Amulya. Hi, Amulya. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May you have lots of fun with your friends and family on your special birthday. And one of the most important things about you, which we always love and always remember after, every time we meet is that, you're so social and very friendly, not only for the youngsters in the group, but also for the elders. So keep it up. That would take you a long way ahead. And definitely you're very jovial, very funny, and, very talented. Your dancing moves on any Bollywood dance or number or songs is just amazing. How you teach others, and there is so much for us to learn from you. So keep it up and have a wonderful birthday. Okay.
Wish you the great happy birthday.
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है
Very, very happy birthday. Have a great day and hope you have a wonderful year.
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे बर्थडे है भाई बर्थडे
I like you because you're a great inspiration to me and I can always count on you for help.
I like you because you dance well.
Happy birthday, Amelia.
Hi, Amelia. Happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today and live it up because you're 16.
Happy sweet 16, Amelia. I love you and our Zoom party so very much. I hope your special day is as amazing as you are and as fun as Manana Uncle's classes. I can't wait to see you again, and once again, I hope you have a great 16th.
Hi Amelia, happy birthday. I hope you have a great 16th. I'm so sorry it has to be during the corona time. Also, thank you for introducing me to Snap Games because now I'm addicted. Hi Amelia, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my favorite spoiled Indian princess. I'm sorry you can have a party this year, but at least there's only 2 years until we can go to India together. Happy birthday.
Birthdays ever. I'm really sorry that I can't be there with you to celebrate you being freaking 16, but just have fun and party hard and just have fun being 16. I love you so much and I'm literally so grateful that we got to be closer this year and just share so many new memories with each other. And yeah, I love you so much and happy birthday again. Party hard!
Happy birthday to you जी केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी Happy birthday to you हाँ जी
Hi Amulya, I can be silly for your 16th birthday. Happy sweet 16th, my dear Amulya. I guess I can bum a ride with you now. Heard you're driving. I'm so happy. Sa sa re sa ma ga, sa sa re sa pa ma, sa 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 tha ma ga re, ni ni tha ma pa ma. You're pretty and smart and conscientious and very, very punctual times 4. So that makes it 16. Have a great one. Bye. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Amuli Didi. I wish you have a great birthday. A lot of love, a lot of presents, and also I'm going to come to your house. I hope. How old are you turning? I hope you have a great birthday.